Hello my friends, a short review about this beautiful MT875E Challenger tractor, and it's in a 1/32 scale, and it's actually my first 1/32 scale tractor in my collection. But first I'm going to show you something else. I found a new Diecast gold mine and I'm going to make a video there. And I think you guys are going to like it. And I also bought something in this store, something unusual. A 1/80 scale Mars rover, and I'm going to do a review about that one. If I find the one from Hot Wheels, I believe it's in the CDE case from 2021, not sure. Where is the T-Rex? Was it clickbait? Well, sort of, but it's now eating a Land Rover, so he won't be hurting me for a while. So first we're going to take a look at the box. I paid around 40 bucks, 40 euros, so that's a very good price because normally they are around 80. Like I said, it's an MT875E Challenger. Here we got some specs from the tractor. Freeze the image if you want to read it. Again, the type, and it's from the Evolution E series. Here we got the name of the brand, USK scale models. Got some more text. And like I said, if you want to read it, freeze the image. Now, it's a die-cast model, and it got some plastic parts. Let's see, here we got the bumper. I think it's better if I take my phone off. We can take a closer look. How's that? That's better. So, let's see. Here we got a die-cast bumper. This is also die-cast. Here we got a little stairs that can come down. Now you can climb in the tractor. This is plastic, but you see, it won't break that fast. It's very flexible. This here is plastic. Now, here we can see a little bit of the engine. You can take this up. Big intercooler to cool all the horses inside. And you can close it, very easy. We have rubber tracks, and you can see they also move. Runs very smoothly. Now, if you have some more money in your pocket, you can also buy a more expensive one, and then these wheels will also roll. So that is very cool. This is die-cast, by the way, and this is a plastic wheel. Now we go have a look inside. I'm missing some details here on the dashboard. Would be cool if there was a sticker with some screens on it or some numbers or whatever. But I think when I take a look at this door, I think I can open it. Let's see if it's possible. Yes, that is possible. Voila. And we can take a look inside. Here you can take a friend with you, so you're not alone when you're driving on the field. So, windscreen, that's plastic. This is also plastic. Got some lights here on the top, and I believe there's also one with working LED lights. Fortunately, I couldn't find that one. So here we got the back, plastic rear lights. This is all die-cast. Top is also die-cast. We got silver paint on the mirrors. That's looking cool. And this also working. Yes, we can lower that down and up. Here's also a windscreen wiper from plastic. Like like I said, here we got the mirror, very flexible. And here also the tracks are working. We got a big exhaust pipe to unleash the horsepowers. Very nice, I like that. Makes him look very powerful. And here we can also have a look in the engine. Like I said, big intercooler, I like that. Okay, here we also have a plastic part, very flexible. We also have that on the other side. Now, let's take a look underneath it. Not much detail here. And it's a plastic base. And so overall, a very nice model, and I'm really happy with it. My first 132 scale tractor, and I'm not going to say it's my last, but let's keep it to the 164 scales, because if I start collecting these kind of scales, I need to buy another house for more room. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.